Welcome to our channel and to the channel's 5th video. Today we're gonna wash this container, paint it, and Rolle is going to make a little bit inside craftsmanship. But first what we need to do is change proper gear for this kind of project. Rolle got excited about new Kimball, his new toy for our YouTube videos. So now we're connecting the
Pressure washer.
pressure washer.
The gimbal is flipping out.
As you do.
Here we go. Oh.
So we are about to finish our rusty protection. So we protect all our containers with the Rustex Super chemical, which is prevent the metal to rust. And this is the what we do for our containers because we want more lifetime for our sauna containers. And yeah, this is the way. And as you can see in that corner, that's pretty rusty, so we're gonna give a little bit more lifetime for those corners, so it will give us more lifting times than without. And then we're gonna, when this layer of rusty protection is dried, we're going to add a paint which has the kind of strong armor against the water and all the moisture. So again, that last layer of paint is gonna give more lifetime for metal and our sauna containers. Check our more about our saunas from our web pages and Instagram, saunacontainers.fi or saunacontainers.net. So the second day of painting these walls because rain surprises us, and as you can see it creates a little bit damage here. Water was hitting on this wall, so we need to cover it again, and it seems that it might rain today as well, so we quickly paint this out and covering it. This is the task for today. Third time, third day, 2 times rain already ruined our day. So this is the last chance before our container will have a show off for one of the Texas TV show. So let's see what the rain did last time. Hopefully nothing, I think a bit something. So we need to repair a bit wall and then finishing the door. So today we see, yeah, we need to take a little bit fix this. First task, fix this wall, paint the door or both doors inside outside, and then we have to sand it a little bit, the sauna benches from inside. So those 3 tasks for today, and then we are ready for the next week window delivery, so we get the windows on the place and the container will be done. Peace. Ooh, sweating. So what we're gonna do now is the sanding a little bit the benches. So here we are, all painted white, container is ready for the finishing touch, so we're going to put our logos and then outside is ready except the windows. Let's go. Our daily task is done. Container is painted, logos are added, benches are sanded. Now we just need to wait that the windows arrive to our site. While we are waiting, you can watch the video of installing the frame or washing container in the time-lapse mode. Subscribe to the channel, give the thumbs up if you liked the video, hopefully you did, and we will see on the next one. We might have some special guests for you guys. See ya!